Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of vitamins to find out if they can really help repair nerve damage, and do it fast. For decades, vitamins have been celebrated as natural remedies for many health issues, from boosting energy to strengthening the immune system. But can they actually repair nerve damage? That's exactly what we'll explore in this episode. Nerve damage is a common yet serious problem affecting millions worldwide. Whether caused by injury, infections, or medical conditions like diabetes or peripheral neuropathy, nerve damage can bring debilitating symptoms, numbness, tingling, and chronic pain that can dramatically impact quality of life. While treatments like medications, physical therapy, or even surgery exist, they can be costly, invasive, and often come with unpleasant side effects. That's why more people are turning to natural options, like vitamins, to support nerve health. But why is nerve damage so hard to treat? The answer lies in the complexity of nerves. These delicate structures are hard to repair once damaged, making effective treatments essential. Let's dive into the vitamins that research suggests may help repair nerves and improve their function. One standout is vitamin B12, crucial for producing myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Studies show that B12 deficiencies can lead to nerve damage, and supplementing it can help alleviate symptoms. Next is vitamin B6, which supports the production of neurotransmitters, key for communication between nerve cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also aid in healing. Vitamin D is another game changer. It helps produce neurotrophic factors, proteins essential for nerve growth and repair. Research links vitamin D deficiency to increased nerve damage risk, with supplementation aiding in nerve regeneration. Finally, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. These healthy fats are anti-inflammatory and promote healing in damaged nerves. So, what's the most effective approach? Studies highlight the powerful combination of B12, B6, and omega-3 fatty acids. This trio has shown promising results in promoting nerve regeneration, reducing inflammation, and alleviating symptoms of nerve damage. For example, research in the Journal of Neurology found significant symptom improvement in diabetic neuropathy patients using this combination. Similarly, the Journal of Pain Research documented reduced inflammation and nerve regeneration in chronic pain patients taking these nutrients. To recap, the key players for nerve repair are vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are accessible through diet or supplements and can make a real difference in nerve health. If you've dealt with nerve damage and tried any of these vitamins, share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more natural solutions to support your health. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.